In today's video, I will show you how to log into a Tinder account. Tinder remains one of the world's most downloaded dating applications, processing millions of active profiles and authenticating users securely across the globe every single day. To access your matches and keep your personal data protected, the platform uses a quick multi-factor verification system whenever you sign back in. First, make sure that you have a Tinder app downloaded on your device, and then go ahead and open it. Once you are on the home page, choose how you want to log in based on your initial account setup. You can choose from Google, a phone number, or an email address. For this tutorial, I will use my Google account, so go ahead and click it. Then, select the specific Google account to use for your account from the options displayed on your screen. Now, enter your phone number connected to your account to trigger the security handshake. Then, click on Next. Now, enter the unique verification code sent to your phone number via text message and you will be directed right onto your homepage. And that's it. That's how to log into a Tinder account.